Hi, I'm Greg, DiscountHelmetFactory.com, and today we're doing a motorcycle helmet review on the Daytona helmets, Novelty helmet, Hawk, and it's a gray carbon fiber medium. All the Daytona helmets come in a nice bag, and let's get this bad boy out and take a look at it. Wow, I like that. Carbon fiber. Very nice helmet, has a quick disconnect. Again, this is a Novelty helmet, it's not DOT approved, but I would love to have this helmet. It's really awesome. Again, this is Greg, DiscountHelmetFactory.com. Talk to you later.